Hello everyone, this is day 24 of me building my application journey, and last night I couldn't record some of the part, but last night I was deploying my ads.txt file with the help of one of my friends, and it was deployed actually on our website. So if you don't know our website is this. So we deployed the ads.txt file on the root of this, but the problem is that when I was coming on to my Google Ad Mobs today and was trying to verify the app, it was still saying that the ads.txt file is not found. Now, I think I read somewhere that it takes some time for the crawler to understand where that file is, or I think the problem lies in with that I need to manually set up it the ads thing from the Google and Google Play Console and iOS App Store. So I would have to put specifically that I am using ads and then put a ads txt URL there. So I think that is a problem, but I'm not sure. And secondly, before doing that, I am also going to do one thing. One second, my camera got blur, I think. Okay. Sorry, my camera got a little blurred up. So what is I am doing currently is, firstly I am enabling support of ads in my Android app also. So I did it for the iOS version because at that time my iOS app was deployed, so I have to do the same for my Android app here. Currently it is crashing. I think some of the config files are not correctly set up, and I need to set up some metadata and everything. So guys, without wasting time, let's start a day and complete all these things. So guys, I have successfully added my app ads.txt file, and it has been verified, and my apps that was both on Android and iOS is also getting ready. So everything is set up now. My ads will be running on my application, so we can move on to the UX part and further coding of the different things. So without wasting any time, let's do that. So guys, I've implemented one more interesting feature into the application, that is the leaderboard. So now you can see the top people who have provided and resolved and helped, and it consists all the list of the users that are in the top 50. So if you are seeing your name here, then do tell me guys. That's a cool feature, right? Do tell me in the comments, did you like it or not. So guys, wrapping up the day today, and I have to do one meet, but I cannot cover it in the video. So today mostly I did the leaderboard thing and some UX improvement like the bottom nav icons, and tomorrow I also did the ads thing. So from tomorrow on I need to start finishing up the UX so that the revamped application can again be pushed to Android and iOS stores. And yeah, that is it guys for today. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.